Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable clipboard history in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings, click System, click Clipboard. Click Turn on Clipboard History. Open Notepad. Press Ctrl and C keys, copy selected text. Press Windows and V keys to view clipboard history. Press Windows and V keys to view clipboard history. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.